Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start with the greatest name of Allah who's most kind and merciful. Myself, Muhammad Salman Malik, a student of CS 2K19 from Sindh University campus, Rajasthan. I'm here to present my topic. The topic name is Graphical Method. Subject is Operation Research that is given by Sir Sanallah Bhutto. So let's move on to first slide. What is graphical method in Operation Research? The graphical method represents an optimization algorithm for solving linear programming problems containing two decision variables, x1 and x2. It is one of the most popular approaches for solving simple linear programming problems. What is graphical method in linear programming problem? A graphical method of linear programming is used for solving the problems by finding out the maximum or minimum point of the intersection between the objective function line and the feasible region on a graph. In linear linear programming problem, we find out what is the feasible region or the minimum or maximum point of the intersection that we have given to find out through the objective functions. So now I am going to explain what is constraints. These are the constraints and the objective function is this that we have to find through these. With the help of these constraints, we do maximize or minimize to our objective function. With the help of these constraints, we will do maximize or minimize. So we have to find the max. So we will solve it and then we will find out our max. First of all, we have to find the points. We have to find the points of these constraints. So first constraint is x1 plus 2x is equal 2x2 less than or equal to 4. So this is x1 and x2. So first of all, the trick of writing point is write 0 and 0 here, 0 and 0 here, also 0 and 0 here. The second. So first of all, put the hand on first one and then write 2 into 4 and the 0 comes here. Also then we will put the 0 on x1 here and we will find the 2 here. So again we will put our hand on x1, we will put our hand on x1, so we will we will put our hand on x2. We are finding the point of x1, so we will put our hand on x2 and we will find 2 and here 0. Again same, we will put our hand on x1, we will find 0 here and x2 3. So we have find our points of constraints. So now we are sketching the graph. So first of all, sketch a graph here like this, two lines, and then put 4 point 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So first we have found our points, that is 4 and 0. So we have put the 4 0 and the second one is 0 2. We put it 0 2 and then we have to join them, and then or x2 and x1, then same 4 0 and 0 2, then another constant point, that is 2 0 and 0 3, so that is 2 0 and 0 3. So we have joined them also, that is our x2 and x1, 4.40 to 0 0 3 and 0 2. We have to sketch the lines to join them. Now comes the feasible region. That is our feasible region. Why? Because of it is nearer to the region that is called by feasible region. We are taking the lines which are uh, connecting which are connecting to the feasible region. So we are taking here O, A, B, C, just a name we are giving them. So our O is 0 0. We know that is in a region, so the both sides will be 0 0. So the A is 2 0. B we have to find out, and C is our 0 2. Why we are choosing these only 4 points, you will say? Because these are connecting to the visible region. We are not taking this point or this point because these are far. For example, I am giving you a simple example. A person is standing here. The we can say the shelter is 1 and 2. These are the shelters that we have to take. Not these will be count in it. So for finding the B point, we have to find B. By finding it, we have to subtract constants. The constants, we have to subtract these both, and then we will find out our B point. So here we have got 1 comma 3 upon 2. By subtracting these constants, we got 1 here from and 3 by 2. That is our B. So then we have to put these into our objective function, which is our problem max z is equal to 3x1 plus 4x2. So we are putting it on z at 0, z at O, sorry, that is O. So we will put the it into our formula. So we will put O here, that is 0 0. So here it comes 0. So then we will put into A, z at A, that is 2 and 0, 3 into 2 plus 4 into 0, that comes 0, and 3 into 6. Here we got the answer, that is 6. So now z at P, 3 into 1 plus 4 into 3 upon 2, 2 into 2 and 3 to 6, 6 into 6 plus 3 and 9. We got the answer. Now z at C, z at C is 0 and 2. We put it here 0 and 2, and we found the answer, that is or 8. 3 into 0 means 0, and 4 into 2 8. We found the 8 answer. So what is the maximum? Z at B, that is the maximum, or B point is maximum. So we have to find the max number. We have to find the max number. 9 is our max number. So we will take our B point. Z at B is the max. Z is the maximum at B, 1 3 upon 2, that we have found by subtracting the constants. 1 3 upon 2, here it is. That is optimal solution is x1 or x1 is 1 and x2 is 3 upon 2. X1 is in horizontal and vertical the line. We are taking x1 and x2 is 1 and 3 upon 2. So our max z is 9 that we have found here. So if we have to find out the minimum, we have found the maximum z. If we have to find the minimum z, so again we are seeing here that here it comes 0 0. The maximum z at O, that is 0 0. The answer comes 0. So our answer will become 0. Same that will be, just we have to put the our minimum z is z at O, that is 0 and 0. That is optimal solution is x1 is 0, x2 is 0, max z, minimum z at is or 0. That will be the answer. And the feasible region we have found, that is our feasible region, and the minimum z we have found. And if we have to find the minimum, then we will write this as I have told. So that was the end of my topic, graphical method. Thank you very much.